never seen a 50% off tag at a retail store, Nike retail store. That is wow. They still got these too? Really? In men's sizes, that is fire. Can you believe this? Really? Really? Glendale Galleria. Walking through JCPenney. Oh, they're giving out coupons. It's a mystery coupon. 30% off? 30% off everything. Okay. Yeah, definitely came here to check out Nike. Nike Well Collective out in Glendale. And at this spot, it is all about the returns. All about the returns. So I was going to say they don't really have great sales, but lately they have been having sales. I believe it's 25% off the items with the sales tag on it. I was like, why does this look different from the other Infinity Run 4s? This is a Gore-Tex version. That's why it has the weather-resistant upper. And these are the regular Infinity Run 4s. Got dunks right here. SE dunks, 125. And Jordan 1 lows right here. Pretty clean, all white. Can wear this with anything. Yo, what? 30% off? Are you serious? Are you serious? Holy cow. What the F? Do I need to buy one? And by buy one, I mean return the one that I have and buy this bad boy right here. Holy crap, 30% off. 30% off too. Something that's like $60 off. Holy crap. Hell yeah, $60 off. Oh my god, I might have to, yo. I got a size 10.5 for myself. I actually got two. One from Foot Locker, one from here. And I also got one for one of my boys, size 11. Damn, do I need to rebuy two of them at least? Only small sizes left. God dang it. Said they've been on sale since Tuesday, so god dang it. We know what happened. I don't blame y'all. Damn. Latest releases on sale. This is just crazy. That's why hopefully you guys are following my channel. This is insane, yo. Holy crap. And they got all kinds of stuff on sale. Look at this. Vomero 5s. The most popular shoe of this year, really? Got Panda Dunks. Got these suede dunks right here. Everything 30% off. Dang, dude. Dang. So apparently those 3s have been on sale since Tuesday. So yeah, they did get some bulk buyers that came in. Like I said, I don't even blame you guys at that price. That price is crazy. The Forrest Gumps are back? I did not realize these are back, and they're 30% off. The Forrest Gumps. If you guys are new to collect these sneakers, Forrest Gump wore these, so that's why we call it the Forrest Gumps. Because that was the running shoe back in the day. Damn, dude, just so much stuff on sale. Infinity Run 4s, got a plethora of those on sale. Vomeros, right? The Vomero 17s. Got all 3 colorways of the Pegasus Plus right here. 180. Do get that 30 off on top. Streak Flies on sale. Even the Vaporfly 3s. The $260 monster running shoe right here. Some with the reflective stuff right here. These are the Infinity Run 4s. Air Max 1s. DNs. Just everything has a 30% off tag on it. Holy cow. In the women's section also have all kinds of sales tags on their sneakers as well, including these right here, the Invincible Run 3s. Such a fan of these. I am looking for them on a discount. What camera angle is that? What the hell? What am I doing? But yeah, 180. Get that extra 30 off, it looks like. Have a bunch of different colorways. No, not all of you guys have time to go to 15 different places like I do. Some of them 50% off? Really? Holy cow. 50% off these boots in the women's. 120 down to $60. Really? The latest dunks right here. So much going for 30% off. These are SEs right here too. The Satin Shadows right here. 30% off retail. Seeing if they have any other 50% off tags. Nah, that's the only one I saw. Got hiking shoes right here. The Pegasus Trail 5 Gore-Tex. Everything on sale, man. This is crazy. Crazy. I forgot to show you guys. I did return the Nike Dunks right there. The LA. They call them the Dodger Dunks. The LA Dunks. I did return them. I didn't really need them. More of an impulse buy. black cement threes, that was the find of the day, especially for 30% off. And they did say that a reseller came with like his family, so they tried to buy as many as they could. I don't blame them. God dang it, I went to the wrong place. This ain't Foot Locker no more. All right, we gotta hit these stores up quick. This is one of the newest remodeled Foot Lockers. That's technically one of the new ones because they moved from that last location to this spot. Huge freaking store. You got some sales items, but I want to say we've seen a lot of these. Like, I really like this one. I really like this, and this is one of the what do they call it? One of the, they call these the ruggeds. Has that thicker outsole, thicker midsole as well. Freaking love that one. $7.25 right here. This one's not as bad. This one's okay, but I kind of like that one a little better. That one pops a little bit more. This one's a regular $5.74. Got some Ja ones down here. Vomeros, $120. And also got Mellows. Is it Jordan 1s? No, these are the Dunks. I'm tripping. I saw that black cement 3, and now I think everything's crazy. Yeah, that's funny. That's funny. What are these? These were going for like 60 or something, right? Trying to make it a little bit quicker because I'm gonna head up Pasadena. Pasadena is a little bit slower. They might have the black cement 3s. You know, people don't really hit that store up too much. Do have a retro section here, as well as a basketball section, and casual shoes over here. Latest Jordan release right here. Jordan 5. What is this? The reverse metallic black or something? Return. I think that's what they call it. Reverse metallic black, white and black, mostly. I do like it. I do like it. It's white and black. You really can't go wrong with that. Seeing what has 3M. It's just a tongue. But yeah, these are going for $200. Latest 14 that released right here. Black Cat Spizikes right here. Someone mentioned these never are at the outlets. Yeah, I don't remember seeing these at the outlets ever. And this is one of the better colorways. Got the Olympics, got the 13s right there. Do got $10 hats right here. Clippers, snapbacks. Go for 10 freaking bucks. Any other hats, Adidas hats and stuff. Clippers only decent one there. And speaking of the Clippers, they're saying the Lakers are struggling, and what they say that LeBron's taking time off. What the F? What the F? What the hell's going on? In a hurry, but Borders has been dope lately. And I did want to show you guys the latest SB Dunk release. This is the Supersonics, Seattle Supersonics colorway. Got the gum bottom. It is nubuck, almost all nubuck. These are dope, dude. These are dope. What these going for? $125 now? Yeah, $125. And then they got the mids right here. These are $145 right here with the cracked leather. And they got these, and then the latest black and gray right here. Only got 8.5 and 12. Okay, dang it. Yeah, they've been having all kinds of SB Dunks readily available for y'all. Do got a Shoe Palace. I told you guys last couple times, this store is legit now. Actually legit raffles and stuff. And we're making it super quick. Apparently, Nike Glendale had these for 30% off as well. I think East LA had them for 30% off last week. Got more of the oxidized greens right here. And they do got the Olympics on sale, $140. Yeah, that's too high. Don't buy these. Don't buy these. I'm trying to prevent you guys from buying it, so they go on sale even more. $140. I probably should grab them, dang it. But today I am hunting for those black cements. Dang nabbit. Is this a newer colorway of the Antas? The Anta Kyrie ones. Do got these bad boys right here. These are pretty cool. These are pretty cool. Got the all black one right here if you need it to match with anything. If you play on a team where you have to have black shoes, $125 for those. Then Ja ones on sale everywhere. And they even got these bad boys right here. 9.5, $150. Is that what they're going for right now? Holy crap, I didn't know these are $150. Got these available, holy cow. Can't believe they still have these. And it's a size 9.5, a good size too. Remember, I go down like half a size on these bad boys. Size 10, I think I could even wear a 9.5. And look at the material on these, so nice. So nice. Maybe I might have to come back for these eventually. These are freaking hella nice, dude. These are nice, but man, I need these black cement things right now. That's what I need. If I can grab one or two of those, save over $100. That's what I'm trying to do. Got Vomeros going for $100. Damn. What WTF is this? What is this? What's going on? The hell is this? Got a skull, cracked leather, $140 for these. Nike doing different stuff. That's what's up. That's what's up. Then all kinds of Forces on sale. Pretty freaking dope. Even got a patent leather one here with some extra fat laces. These are pretty fire too, dude. $120 for those. Wow. Do got a Champs. Gonna check out the sales rack real quick. $30 for Converse checks right here. That's a huge size. Got some mids, 110. Got some 2 trays for grade school. 2 trays for grade school, $50. Converse right here, $30 a piece for those. Apparently these aren't a Chuck, going for 30. Grade school. Crazy ones, aka Kobe ones, going for 80. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? And Lowlands right here. Solid price for those. Oh, 100 for these. Weren't these cheaper earlier? Academies, the GT Cut Academies go for 70. Solid price. It's one of the Dr. Seuss ones. 120. 80 for the Jaws. You get little, what's that, ketchup or blood? I don't know. What's worse, ketchup or blood? I don't know. But okay, they got stuff. They got a few things. All right, JD Sports last store. I'm trying to cover everything, but also get mines. Yeah, they've been the best store for Jordan 1s if you guys need the Jordan 1s. They've had those on sale for quite some time. Air Force 1s, pretty decently priced. Also got Dunks on sale. JD really has stepped up their game with their sales. I feel like their sales have been more aggressive than most of the other stores. Look at this. Club C vintage right here, $40. Got them in all sizes, super clean. Got these mids right here, go for 95. Pretty solid deals. 6s on sale. Got these SEs on sale right here. All right, really quick look. All right, we gotta go. We gotta go. If you're in Pasadena, always make sure you pay for parking. Should be good. All right, let's see what happens. See what happens. Nike Well Collective Pasadena, one of the smaller stores. Focuses primarily on running. And this is their wall for the men's, and they do have the black cements. All right, they do got the 30% off. Let's see if they got my size. Let's see. They are checking on that. Look at this. Look at this. Also got these bad boys right here too. Got the Union. What is this? The General? The Field General Unions. They got those. Not on sale, but they got this one on sale as well. Holy cow. Holy cow. Man. Oh man. Am I gonna have to grab these too? Am I gonna have to grab these too? Friends and family. I do have a friends and family coupon. I got these here as well. Damn. And which ones are these? Awake. New York has a collab. Jordan 1 collab right here. Got everything on sale. Only have a size 10 and 11. No 10 and a half. And of course we got to check these for quality control because so many of these are just awful. But I'm not really seeing any issues. The black cement right here obviously is, that's a little funky. That is a little funky. Yeah, this one's way funky. Holy cow. Holy cow, I might have to ask for a different one because that's, yeah, that's really weird. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Usually grab 10 and a halves in size 3s, but the 10 does work. The 10 does work. That's crazy. Forget that. All right, she did bring me out another one. See if this one looks better. The left definitely looks better. Look at the elephant print. Look at how different that looks. Left side is clean. Right side also clean. Okay. Okay, so this one is a good pair. Very happy with this one. Let me see if I can double up with my friends and family, and then I'm going to return both size 10 and a half that I have at home. If I could buy 2 size 10s, I'm going to return my size 10 and a half. Almost get 2 for 1 if they let me use their friends and family coupon as well. Let me find out. Let me see if all that's going to work. Let's find out. Friends and family coupon. I'm thinking about this too now. Thinking about this. Definitely grabbing that. Thinking about this. Come out to like $100. $100 for Jordan Retros. Man. All right, I'm grabbing 2 pairs of the black cement 3s. They only have size 10s. But yeah, we're gonna look at the women's section real quick. They do have these. What are they calling these? The velvet ones right here. $135, you get 30 off. Got the black and white mids right here. These are what, $125. Yeah, it's just crazy seeing 30% off sale signs here at the retail shops. This dunk right here, these are interesting as hell. Got all kinds of glitter on them. $120 for these bad boys. You do get an extra 30 off. Got these for $115. Never seen these right here. Super long hair suede. This suede don't get longer than that. It really doesn't. $100 for those. It does have a sale sign on it. I was trying to see if any running shoes have any crazy sales on them, because I was trying to grab one for someone, especially since I do have the friends and family coupon. I'm gonna get an extra 30% off all these really marked down prices. Damn, this is crazy. This is crazy. I'm gonna go pay for my Jordan 3 black cements, 2 pairs for hella cheap. Yeah, on feet, you got these. I was gonna show it in the next video, but I think I only have time for one video today. But yeah, do got the SB dunks right here. These are the Charlotte Hornet SB dunk. What, 2020 did it come out? NBA All-Star release. Wearing all black. Does it even show? Like a ninja today, man. Like a ninja, in and out, super quick. Especially since I get an extra 30 off. I'm checking to see if they have any apparel deals right here. They got 30% off these. $120 off of the Jordan hoodie. This one, it says Paris on it. These are going for $120, 30 off. Some regular hoodies, nothing too crazy. I don't see any crazy steals. See if they have any crazy returns. I don't really see anything. Not like in Glendale. No. $90 for the Cortez right here, the Forrest Gumps. You get that extra 30 off. 30 off the black and whites right here. 50% off the Blazers. So these would be crazy cheap after the discount. Wow. Yeah, not seeing anything else that I really need though. At least I saw a couple shoes with 50% off tag at a retail store, Nike retail store. That's just crazy. I just realized they got the Kobe 9s right here. No sales tag on this one. And it's a smaller size, 7.5. Some of y'all ain't even gonna believe it. 107. They came out to 107 each. Are you effing serious? You effing serious? Both of these are for me. And I did buy that effed up pair. I'll tell y'all why. This is the essence of this YouTube channel. This is exactly why I have this YouTube channel. These are the finds I'm talking about. This is crazy, dude. This is crazy. I am giddy like a little schoolgirl. This is insane. I definitely did not expect to find my size. Even when I saw it at Glendale, I was like, there's no way I'm gonna find my size, especially with the resellers grabbing them and stuff like that, which, like I said, I don't blame them. I don't blame them. You can sell it for retail, you know, eat that, whatever. I'm not a fan of it, but I don't blame you guys. I don't blame you guys. It is what it is. But yeah, this is why we do this. This is why I love this stuff. I don't know. I might be able to do something with those 10s that are messed up, because I think one of the ones I have is a 10 at home. I don't remember. Maybe they're both 10.5s. If they're 10.5s, I'm kind of screwed. It is what it is. But for $100 off, I'll take it. I'll take a jacked up pair for $100 off. Like, holy crap, that's crazy. So it is what it is. But yeah, that's what this is about. That's why you guys go hunting. I'm gonna create a short to try to get this information to you guys as soon as possible. But yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, stay tuned. Plenty coming. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video. Do all that good stuff. Make sure you guys check out the membership. Y'all want to help your boy out with some gas. It is what. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.